I just want to give a quick warning. So the following clips are over 2.5 weeks because life got really crazy, and so it's all kind of random and jumbled, but feel free to watch, enjoy. Hopefully you can get some kind of entertainment out of it. And I do apologize that it's all super random, but I mean, this is just how my weeks have been going, so it's real, it's true. So enjoy. Thanks for watching. Good morning. Happy first day of regular school, because yesterday was just 7th grade day. So we only had 7th graders, but today we will have all of our students, which is pretty exciting. I'm feeling good. Happy first day of school! I have laundry going on over there, so please ignore those noises. But today was a really good day. Our classes are super awesome. We had all the grades today, so it was the real first day of school. It was really good. Everything went so well. I'm working with amazing people. All the co-taught classes just seem amazing. I have a meeting with my clinical supervisor to talk to her and probably schedule my first observation today. So, wish me luck. I just want to get them over with. So what I would love to do is just do my first 3 lessons, but that's just very unrealistic. I don't know. I think they want like a week in between each one or more. I don't know. Today was really great. I felt good, and students were good. We got a good old batch of students, so happy. Hope that everybody else is having a similar experience in their that's in student teaching that happens to be watching this. It's pretty exciting. This is a really bad angle. That's okay. I just wanted to say we found out who some of our online students are today, so I had to make the online versions of my lessons, or at least start to do that. I only got through one of them because that's just how the day went. But I will be making more of them soon, and it's really awkward to make those videos because you just sit there and, well, you don't sit there. You're just trying to condense this whole lesson that you came up with into something that's just short and easy to follow. I don't know. It's hard. That's okay. I just barely got home. There's been, okay, I just got home. I keep meaning to start on EdTPA. I really need to get started, but for one, it's not updated, so I can't do anything for sure quite yet. And 2, I still feel confused. I am a little bit lost, especially with task 1. I'm supposed to use some kind of organizer type thing to put all of my information in there, and I don't know what they're talking. I just don't know, and I'm lost, and I'm really frustrated, which is not fun, but I'm sure I'll get it figured out. I just need to get started. I really wish they had it updated, because I'm going to have less than a month from the first deadline to turn it in. Good morning! So today I am teaching my first lesson. I'm actually pretty nervous about it. I didn't think I was, but then last night I felt like sick with how nervous I was, which is really funny, but that's okay. I've got a good lesson. I'm super prepared for it. I got the board ready last night. Got all the supplies ready. Just making it happen now, so yeah. Okay, this vehicle's getting very close to me. But I'll have to tell you all how it goes. And hopefully the answer is it goes well. But let's see. We will see. I don't know how many students are going to show. I do not know how any of this is going to go. Okay, what a day. It has been a long day. But I really wanted to talk today because I had an awesome day. It's 10:30 right now, but I woke up early this morning because I got to teach my first lesson, like I kind of talked about, I think. And Cody, no. was trying to drink my water. But right after work, I had to go, right after student teaching, I had to go straight to work. So I did not have a chance to say anything, but my lesson went so well. I was so happy with it. The kids participated. Some new students showed up today, which I was really happy about because I wanted that class to be a little bit bigger, and now it is. So everything about the lesson just went so well. Timing went well, and my host teacher gave me some really, really helpful comments that were just so nice and helpful, and it was wonderful. It was such a good day.
Does ADS still have their turbo? I don't know. Last when I talked to him, they did. I'm desperate to get rid of it though.
I'm so exhausted. It's been freezing in the school, so I'm super, super cold. So I'm in another room right now, but I need to do a little update because it's been a few days and I haven't really, I guess it's been like over a week and I haven't recorded anything because a lot's been going on, but I'll have to update. Okay, so I just got home and I got straight into workout clothes because I have noticed that I'm a lot more productive if I just keep going with the day. As soon as I get home, I do another thing, and then I, get all the stuff done because I always find myself at night realizing so many things I wanted to do, and then I'm like, okay, I better do these things still, and then I do them, and then it's 2 a.m. and I still haven't slept. So, I got home, I got dressed, I've got a workout pulled up on the TV that I'm about to follow, and I'm just trying to keep myself busy. I mean, it's just kind of hard, but that has just really been the key for me in keeping everything going with student teaching and work and school and stuff. I have good news, by the way. I passed my professional portfolio course on Sunday, which today's Tuesday, so this is just a couple days ago. I did have to fix a couple things the first time I submitted it, and but I fixed them, so we're all good now. We are on day 5 hair, so that is why my hair looks like the way it does. That was not a good sentence. Sorry, English. Also, I have bruises everywhere on my body, just absolutely everywhere. I'm finding them all over my legs and my arms, and I don't know what I've been doing to get bruises. It's probably from work, because I don't know. I think I fall down a lot, maybe. I don't know. I think for those of you struggling to stay motivated and to keep going with everything, I don't know. Take breaks when you need them, but just keep going when you can. And that is definitely something that's been helpful for me, because once I'm down, I'm down. So I'm trying to, right now, the only reason I'm sitting down is I only justified it because I'm filming real quick. So if I'm filming really fast, then it's okay because I'm still getting something done. Okay, I'm going to continue with my update for another second though, just because I have things on my mind, so I might as well share them. Ignore my very unhealthy treats. So I have been, my farmer's tan. Okay, so I have been trying to get my EdTPA done. Cody. Hi, buddy. Can I help you? Come here, you can sit with me. Come on. Alright, sorry. We have a visitor. I've been trying to get my EdTPA done, so I finished planning all my lessons for it. Hi. I found a focus learner, obviously, because you have to have that before you can even plan your lessons. I've made up their learning goal, obviously, and I've come up with a learning goal for her, and I have come up with all the supports and everything, so it's been a lot of work, and I am almost done with I think the context for learning, I don't know, there's a few things. I teach again tomorrow. I've been teaching quite a bit, and I really like it. Those days are my favorite days, and they go by so much quicker than the other days when I actually get to teach, so I've been loving that. It's crazy because last year I was a para, and I loved that job. I didn't dislike that at all. It was a fantastic job, and I was so happy about it. I was really sad to leave, and it was such a like bittersweet kind of ending. But doing what I'm doing now, okay, that's a great spot for you, buddy. But doing what I'm doing now has really shown me that like this is what I want to do. I am so excited to teach, and I am so happy to be teaching, and it is just the best. It's the best experience ever, and it's very reassuring to know that I feel like I'm doing the right thing and everything, and I've been able to keep up with it. It's been so hard because I'm trying to do, you know, like 20 hours of work a week, and then I'm also trying to do 40 hours of student teaching a week, and then I'm also trying to do, you know, household things, and it's a lot to juggle, but I do so much better, like, mentally, and I do so much better, I guess physically, too, when I'm super busy. So I have been trying my best to stay super busy, keep myself going, and it's working. So that's a quick little update for you. I'm gonna go do my workout now, even though it looks like I've been working out for hours. I mean, I look like a mess, but it's okay. I am gonna go do that, and then maybe I'll check back in if I think of some more things that are important. What a week. I just wanted to say thanks for watching. So feel free to check out some more of my videos. Leave a comment, subscribe, and like. I'd appreciate all of it. Thanks, bye!